Hi, welcome to Repairing Trust When It's Been Damaged. Remember, trust is fragile and can be easily damaged when commitments are broken, promises are unfulfilled, or dishonesty occurs. However, with genuine effort, accountability, and transparency, it's possible to repair trust and rebuild relationships. Let me share some of the practical steps for repairing trust along with relevant examples. Number one, acknowledge the breach. Acknowledge the breach of trust and take responsibility for your actions or behavior that contributed to it. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame and demonstrate genuine remorse for the harm caused. For example, let's say you failed to deliver on a critical project deadline, causing frustration and disappointment among your team members. Instead of making excuses, you acknowledge your mistake during a team meeting. Take full responsibility for the oversight and apologize sincerely for any inconvenience caused. Number two, communicate openly. Foster open and honest communication by addressing concerns, answering questions, and providing clarification as needed. Keep stakeholders informed about your efforts to repair trust and demonstrate a commitment to transparency. For example, let's say after a breach of trust in a personal relationship, you initiate a candid conversation with the person to discuss what happened, express your feelings, and listen to their perspective. By communicating openly and honestly, you create a foundation for rebuilding trust and resolving conflicts. Number three, make amends. Take tangible steps to make amends and rectify the situation to the best of your ability. Offer sincere apologies, correct any mistakes or oversights, and take proactive measures to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. For example, let's say you inadvertently shared confidential information with a colleague, breaching their trust and causing embarrassment. To make amends, you apologize to the colleague privately, assure them of your commitment to confidentiality, and implement stricter protocols for handling sensitive information in the future. Number four, demonstrate consistency. Rebuild trust by demonstrating consistency and reliability in your words and actions over time. Follow through on your commitments, meet expectations consistently, and uphold the values and principles that are important to the relationship. For example, let's say your friend lost trust in you after you cancelled plans multiple times without any valid reasons. To rebuild trust, you make a conscious effort to prioritize your commitments, communicate proactively about any scheduling conflicts, and make a concerned effort to honor your promises consistently. Number five, practice empathy and understanding. Show empathy and understanding towards the feelings and concerns of the other person who has been hurt by the breach of trust. Validate their emotions, listen actively to their perspective, and demonstrate genuine empathy and compassion. For example, let's say your coworker feels betrayed after discovering that you shared confidential feedback about them with others. To repair trust, you acknowledge the hurt and betrayal they are experiencing. Listen empathetically to their feelings and express genuine remorse for your actions. Number six, give it time. Recognize that rebuilding trust takes time and patience, and allow the other person the space and opportunity to heal and forgive at their own pace. Be patient, consistent, and understanding as you work through to rebuild trust and repair relationships. For example, your partner's trust in you was shaken after a breach of trust in your relationship. While you take immediate steps to apologize and make amends, you understand that rebuilding trust will require time and ongoing effort. You commit to demonstrating consistency and reliability in your actions and giving your partner the space and support they need to heal. Finally, by taking proactive steps to repair trust, demonstrating accountability and transparency, and showing genuine concern and commitment to change, it's possible to rebuild trust and restore relationships even after they have been damaged. Thank you so much for joining with me in this session, and I will see you in the next session where I will be sharing a plan of action so you can go back and practice on building rapport and trust in your regular life.